Arthur, Google is trying to give me money, and I don't trust it.
That's a new one. Explain.
I priced a virtual machine on Google Cloud, and the calculator showed a discount I never asked for. Sustained use? Nobody gives discounts you didn't ask for. What's the catch?
The catch is, you found the one cloud that discounts automatically. Welcome to Compute Engine, Google's answer to EC2.
The compute aisle again, Monday's video, Google edition.
Exactly. And since you already speak EC2, today is mostly a translation job, plus Google's three-party tricks.
Okay, translate.
Compute Engine rents you real computers. Google calls them VM instances, running in the same data centers as Search and YouTube.
Pick a size, pick an operating system, install anything. Same as Monday.
Same as Monday. Per second billing too, with a 1-minute minimum, just like EC2.
So far it's EC2 with a different name tag.
Which is the point. The clouds are mostly the same idea. Now the differences. Party trick 1. The discount that scared you.
The automatic one.
Sustained use discounts. Run a machine more than a quarter of the month, and Google starts shaving the bill. Automatically. Up to 30% off on some machine types.
No coupon codes, no sales call, no commitment.
Nothing. The machine just gets cheaper the longer it runs. It's Google saying, thanks for staying.
A loyalty program for servers. Okay, I trust the money now.
Party trick 2. Custom machine types. On EC2 you pick from a menu. T3.micro, C7G, X large, fixed combos.
The apartment building, studio, flat, mansion.
On Compute Engine, you can also just tell the builder what you want. 6 vCPUs, 20 gigs of memory. It builds exactly that apartment.
Wait, so if my app needs a weird shape, lots of memory, barely any CPU?
You pay for the weird shape, not for the closest mansion on the menu. That's the trick. Quick pause. Wednesdays here are Google Cloud Day. Next week, cloud storage. If you're collecting all 3 clouds, follow the channel. The map fills in fast.
Monday's AWS, Wednesday's Google, Friday's Azure. I'm collecting them like trading cards. Okay, Monday had price doors. On demand, savings plans, spot. Does Google have doors?
Same 3 doors, Google Paint. Door 1, on demand. By the second, minimum 1 minute.
With the loyalty discount stacking on top.
Door 2, committed use discounts. Promise Google 1 year, save up to 37%. Promise 3 years, up to 55. Even 70 on the big memory machines.
And door 3, say it.
Spot VMs, Google's spare computers, up to 91% off.
91, Google wins by 1%.
Same catch though. Google can take them back. You get about 30 seconds warning. Batch jobs, rendering, experiments. Not your live app.
Standby tickets, both airlines.
And yes, load balancers and auto-scaling exist here too. Your app breathes on Google exactly like it breathed on Monday.
My multilingual breathing app. All right, bring it home.
Bring it home.
Compute Engine is Google's EC2. Rent real computers by the second, 1 minute minimum, running where YouTube runs. It discounts automatically the longer you run, lets you build custom-shaped machines, and its spot deal, it's 91% off. Same map as Monday, 3 Google party tricks. My wallet says thanks.
Perfect. Next Wednesday, cloud storage, Google's bottomless bucket. Bring Monday's S3 knowledge. It translates.
It always translates. See you Wednesday.